Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. An old man in the land of grills. Let's cook on the orange one, the Masterbuilt 1050. I've got a rotisserie kit for this thing, and I've never used it. We did the installation video. I'll leave the link down below so you can take a look at that. Remember, when you buy it, you're buying the universal kit. So it comes with 3 different spits, so you can use it on the 800, 560, or the 1050. And I did take the two of the 3 grates out. I got the other one flipped out. These are all designed in there to flip, but I didn't think I'd have enough room for the chickens in there, so left one on. If that's going to be taken out, that'll be taken out. Installation of this thing, remember they say you can't leave it on if you're going to do high heat cooks. In the video, I think I say what exactly it is. I can't remember if it's 450 or something like that, because this thing is plastic. So you got to take out the plug, and then you got to put this piece in there. They do give you a wrench to do it with. So it takes a little bit of time. But once it's in there, and that bracket can stay in there the entire time. So it's not like you have to take the whole thing apart every time. All you gotta do is take the motor off and put the plug back in. So it's not really that difficult. So we're gonna take that out. We're gonna put 2 chickens on there, and I'm gonna put a drip tray underneath, and we're just gonna probably 225 it for a little bit, and then we're gonna turn it up and crisp up the skin. So I've never done a rotisserie chicken on this grill, so this should be interesting. All right, folks, doing a little dry run before we get this fired up here. You can see I'm going to use 2 trays here. I just wanted to make sure nothing hit here. And my wife even helped me with knots today. I'm not very good at that. I can't trust the chicken. So, folks, I'm an amateur. So, but I am using. I've had this for quite a few years. Rotisserie chicken by Lori's stuff is pretty good. And we're going to rinse these trays out. We're going to put a little water in them. They're going to be our drip trays. We're going to take this out, get her fired up, and then give you a look-see. I will give you a look-see before we get her back on the grill, just show you what we're using for charcoal and all that. All right, let's go through the check list. Top is open, bottom's open, cleaned out. You can see I got a chunk of, that's a chunk of mesquite down there. Fire's burning. You can see I have got an additional grate in there. This is made by Klotz Mods, folks. If you're wondering where that shelf went, that beautiful stainless steel front shelf. Klotz Mods, I'll leave the link down below to the video I did on his stuff, but it does a really nice job. And I've got the sliders out. See them hanging there. Back vent. I've got a mod from Klotz Mods that I have yet to install, which I need to do. But that'll be coming up. And we'll just, we got fire in the hole, and we got everything plugged in on the other side. You know, we'll give this a couple minutes, and then we're going to set it to 225, then get our chicken on. Yep, that's what we're using. B&B. Hotter, longer, cleaner, folks. Stuff is great. And you know what? I just realized this the other day. That's the year I was born. Pretty cool. All right, chicken's ready to go on. I just want to point out the regular shelf that comes with the Masterbuilt, whether it be the 800 or 1050, you'd never be able to do that. And that's why I got the one from Klotz Mods. And it uses the existing one, and it has, you take off that plastic on the front, and then this one over, and then you just got a couple soft tappers you put it. But I'll tell you what, that is, if you're going to get any mod for your Masterbuilt, whether it be the 1050 or 800, Klotz Mods, folks, I'll tell you, that shelf is the bomb. Right, getting herself dialed in, 230, I got it set at 225. You see the lid temp. That pretty much agrees. And let's take a quick look here. All right, well, birds are turning. I'll give you a couple look-sees, folks. And to be honest with you, folks, I'm making pulled chicken out of this. Pulled chicken spatchcock is a lot easier than putting it on the rotisserie. I'm doing this for you. All right, folks, 3 hours, smoke is rolling here. I'll tell you what, these gravity grills, whether it's the char griller or the Masterbuilt, they really do a great job of producing smoke. Take a quick look. You can see we're 226 there, 225 there. Oh man, look at that. Looking mighty nice. I don't know what's going on with the rotisserie though. All right, folks, let's take a look. Been at 300 now for about 45 minutes. Oh yeah. Rotisserie's working better now. I don't know what was wrong with it, but I shut it off, took everything off, put it back in, and now it's working just fine. Chicken's looking mighty good. My goodness. I'll take a temp, and that'll decide how much longer we're gonna go. All right, folks, one last look before we take them off. Oh man, will you look at that. Rotisserie chicken on the Masterbuilt, folks. Give you a look-see once we are getting ready to make some pulled chicken out of it. Oh man, there's our chicken, folks. I'll tell you what. I toss a little, toss whatever seasoning you want. I put some of the burn pit barbecue sweet heat in there. Take a little piece here, and I'll tell you what. Nothing like pulled chicken, folks. Man, on the Masterbuilt. Just think of the sandwiches and meals you're going to have during the week with that. Tom Horsman, YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, can't say it enough. Thanks for watching.